Good morning and welcome to a quick walkthrough of the Centurion Street Shower currently happening here at Kerk Sonder Mere, where people are waiting to enter and then are welcomed and ushered through the hair and nail station. And we see the tea and coffee station, the pancake station that they are served upon arrival. There is the banquet hall that they will later sit down and have a wonderful meal. There is the media house. There is the actual showers and the bathrooms. And then there's the clothing that they receive. And then moving on to the CV station and ending with the ministering station. So all happening here at Kerk Sonder Mere. Please be sure to watch all of the rest as we have interviews later on with everybody involved here.